Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete parental controls on Android. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to delete parental controls from your Android device here, well, there is a way for you to do this. Now, first thing that you want to do here is you want to go and access or get the phone that you want to remove parental controls here. And what you need to do next is you want to go and open up your settings. And under settings, you want to go and just scroll down a bit here until you see the section here that says Google. Go and just press or click on it. Now in here, you want to go and just scroll down a bit until you see the section for parental controls. Now once you do see that, you can go and just press on it. Now once you've accessed parental controls here, what you need to do is you want to go and click on the three dotted option that you see at the top right of your screen. And from here, you want to go and just click on Stop Supervision. Once you've done that, it will basically redirect you to the Google account section here, and it will give you the option to, let's just say, basically request to remove parental controls on your mobile device. So in this case, let's just wait for this to load up real quickly. Now on the next page, you should see the stop supervision here. So you want to first go ahead and just click on the I understand my parent will be notified when I stop supervision here. So again, you may need to request permission to stop supervision here. So go ahead and just agree to that and click on stop supervision. Now, your parent will be notified with the request here, so they need to go ahead and just access their account here, and they'll be able to see a notification to basically request to remove supervision on your device. But then again, depending on how things are set up here, you should be able to see the device are no longer supervised here for this specific Google account. So in this case, you go and just click on done here. And from then on, you should be good. But then again, if your parents' supervision or approval is required here, you may need to ask them to approve it. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.